Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Planarista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my wellness journal, which is exotic borders, and it's going to be for the first week of February, so February 3rd through the 9th. I am going to be using stickers from Crafty Planner Queen. They're called Cultured and Cozy. So this is the set that I'm going to be using. They are printable, so go ahead and check out her shop. These are from the $2 Tuesday. She has a club where every Tuesday we get new stickers that I'm obsessed with. So this is exactly like one of the types of stickers that she will give us. So it's 2 printable sheets. It's amazing. And if this is your first time joining me, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you have been here before, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm gonna go ahead and create this spread. Not only that, but February is a Black History Month, so I just thought that would be a good way to honor that month. So let's go ahead and do that. These stickers are so gorgeous, you guys. So super cozy. I am going to be creating dots on the top very, very soon, but I wanted to start with some decorations and see how the flow would go. So let's go ahead and do that. As always, 4 on the top, and then 4 in the middle box that are much closer together. So what I track in here is breakfast, lunch, and dinner on the top ones, and then on the lower section, or the middle section as I call it, it is my medicine, whether I took it or not, my mood, and my sleep, and my steps. Often those things are very much correlated. Like if you don't get enough sleep, you might be grumpy. And if you have a grumpy day, you might not be moving as much. So all of those things are related. I'm just trying to see how I'm doing in general. So I like doing things like that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and create kind of like a couple book nooks here to read. But I think, like I said, these stickers are absolutely stunning. So if you have seen these stickers before, this is where they're from. Okay, so we're gonna add a rug by the chair. I'm gonna keep going and adding elements until it's all done and cozy. But look how beautiful all of these stickers are, you guys. I cannot get enough of them. So yeah, let's add a couple more. So how about some plants? Because my house is usually very filled with plants, and I like doing that a lot. So let's add that for her. I'm gonna add another cacti. And how about that vase right there, just by her? She's surrounding by plants. She should be much happy. She's getting oxygen, right? Let's see. Let's add this coffee table or a little nook table right there. I'm gonna add this little like trinkets and teas and stuff and teapots to the middle. I think that's gonna look so cute, you guys. Let's see. Yeah, I have still a lot of stickers left, and those are just 2 pages, right? So you see how amazing this really is, like how many stickers you get. So I am signed up for a full year of stickers from Crafty Planner Queen, and I can't wait to see what she creates and comes up with. But every week it's something different. Okay, let's add this book right here next to the books, like the open one, cozy. Yeah, that looks good. And I need to add some stuff in between to the other side. Let's see, let's see. I think that'll look good. And of course, I want to add like the name and who it was by. So this way, when I'm doing flip throughs, it's much easier. And since these are already printed, I decided to just use those. So when you see them on the side, that's what they're for. So when we go back and do flip throughs, I can tell you where the stickers are from. So yeah, here we go. Look at that. Okay, how about, because I need a couple more things, right? Yeah, let's add that right there. Okay. Sunday looks kind of bare. Have this loose little candle. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. My Cricut like pressed it through. So let me put this back into the planner and I'm all set. Let me know what you think about this one. I love it. I think it looks so beautiful and cozy and can't wait to see you guys for a next plan with me. Thanks for staying for the whole video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, I would appreciate if you would do so. And I'll see you soon for another video. Bye.